Hey guys, how's it going? Dutchman Games here. Today I want to show you guys how you can make a very simple main menu when you're playing your game, in which you can go back to the menu, quit game, all that stuff in a very simple manner and hopefully in under 5 minutes. Alright, so what you want to do is first of all you want to make a little folder in your main folder called widgets. And in here we are going to create a widget blueprint. This widget blueprint will be called widget menu in-game. It's in-game menu, but it will work the same way as a non-in-game menu. So what you want to do is you want to look for canvas panel, throw it in here, and then you want to create a few buttons. So put the anchor in the middle and make a button. You can make it look nice later. So just create 3 buttons. Button 1, resume. Button 2 is options, and button 3 is back to menu or whatever, quit. So throw text blocks in there. See on this one, quit, and then there's a text on this one and a text on that one. This one will be resume, and then this one will be options. And then change the names of the buttons. So button 0 will be resume button, and then the options button will be options button, and then the quit button will be. All right. So what's going to happen? So what will happen in the event graph of the menu in game is it will look through all these options and then do something when you click them. So when you click on resume, what it will do is it will say set mouse cursor. So turn off context sensitive here and say set show mouse cursor. Turn that on off and get controller. So get player controller. Context sensitive can be on again. There we go. And then also game mode only. So what this does is it will say, okay, the player controller is now back in the game, and it will remove the mouse cursor. Very important. When you click on the options menu, the only thing that will happen is it will open a new widget. So open create widget and add to viewport, but we're not going to make this system now. And then on quit, all that you want to do is so there's 2 things that can happen. First, what you can do is just quit game, super simple. But I wanted to go back to the main menu. So you say is open level, and then it will say in my case my level is main menu. So what it will do is it will just go to main menu, and then before this, keep in mind maybe you need to add a. Right? If there's no save system, you need to add a save system here. Otherwise, it won't save anything, and your game might maybe be ruined. So make sure that you think about that. In this case, so unclick resume button, it will just continue the game. All right. Now, what we need to do now is we need to go to our main character, which in my case I think is just called player character or first person character. I think it is first person character. It's BP main characters. Sense? And then in here, what I want to do is when I click on tab, so you can make this whatever button you want. Create widget. Then the widget is menu in game, and then add to viewport, and then get player controller, and then we want to say set show mouse cursor, right? And we want to click on this one this time around, and then we also want to say widget only or UI only. So and then widget in focus will be it that we just created. this is the game menu system. Alright, so we have to change a little bit here. We have to change the fact that when you click on resume, that it will remove from parent. So what will happen now is it will also remove widget. So let's see if it works. And we can continue playing. So it works. Hope you guys enjoyed this little episode here. I guess I just wanted to show you guys how to make a simple menu. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to leave a subscribe for more tutorials and more stuff on Unreal Engine 5. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next one. Cheers.